Have you ever felt like your job applications are disappearing into a black hole? You're qualified, you're ready, but the phone just isn't ringing. It's a frustrating place to be. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hiring process and reveal exactly why most applicants don't make the cut. We'll look at the hidden side of recruiting. More importantly, I'm going to show you how to avoid these common pitfalls and finally land your dream job. I'm from the Interview Expert, and we're starting right now. Section 1. The Resume Black Hole. This is where the vast majority of applications are filtered out before a human even sees them. The number one reason? Generic resumes. If you're sending the same document to every job post, hiring managers can tell instantly. It signals a lack of effort. You must tailor your resume for every single role. Use the specific keywords from the job description to pass the Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. Recruiters spend an average of only 6 seconds scanning a resume. If your value proposition isn't clear in the top third of the page, you're likely to be passed over. Focus on achievements, not just tasks. Don't just tell them what you did. Show them the measurable impact you had on your previous company. And please check your formatting. Spelling errors or an unprofessional email address can signal a lack of attention to detail that hiring managers fear. A clean, keyword-optimized resume gets you through the digital gates. Now, let's talk about the next big hurdle, the preparation gap. Section 2. The preparation gap. You'd be surprised how many talented people fail simply because they didn't do their homework. If you can't articulate why you want to work for this specific company, it looks like you just want any job. Hiring managers want someone who wants them. Research the company's recent news, their mission, and their culture. Find a genuine connection between your personal values and theirs. Next, practice the common questions. Don't wing it. Your answers should be structured, concise, and highlight your best attributes. I always recommend the STAR method for behavioral questions. It stands for situation, task, action, and result. It ensures your story is complete. Practice out loud. It helps you refine your delivery and builds the muscle memory you'll need when the pressure is on in the hot seat. Section 3. Interview execution. This is your time to shine, but it's also where many candidates stumble over nonverbal cues. Nonverbal communication is huge. Poor eye contact, a weak handshake, or slouching can suggest a lack of interest or confidence to the interviewer. Even on video calls, dress professionally and ensure your background is clean. Small details make a big impact on your perceived professionalism and attention to detail. Another common mistake is talking too much. Listen carefully to the question and answer directly. Don't ramble or go off on tangents. When they ask, "Do you have any questions for us?" never say no. Asking insightful questions shows you're serious about the role. Ask about team dynamics, the company's biggest challenges, or what success looks like in the first 6 months. Make it a real conversation. Section 4. The hidden job market. Did you know that up to 80% of jobs are never even posted? This is where networking comes in. If you're only applying online, you're missing out. You need to build relationships before you need them. Start with informational interviews. Reach out to people in roles you admire. Ask for 20 minutes of their time to learn about their journey. This builds your network organically. Keep your social media, especially LinkedIn, updated and professional. Hiring managers will look you up. Make sure they like what they see. Section 5. The power of follow-up. Surprisingly, many applicants skip this entirely, and it costs them the offer at the finish line. Always send a personalized thank you email within 24 hours. Mention something specific and insightful you discussed during the interview. It's not just polite, it reinforces your interest and keeps you top of mind for the hiring team when they are making their final decision. If you don't hear back by the timeline they gave you, follow up professionally. It shows persistence and genuine interest in the company. Section 6. Mindset and resilience. Job hunting is a marathon, not a sprint. Rejection is often just redirection. Don't take rejection personally. Even the best candidates face it. Use every no as a learning opportunity to improve for the next one. Take care of your mental health. Stay active, stay positive, and keep refining your process. Your ideal job is out there waiting for you. To recap, Tailor your resume, prepare relentlessly, execute with confidence, network actively, and always follow up with professional persistence. You've got the skills. Now you have the full strategy. Go out there and land that job. I'm from the Interview Expert, and I'm rooting for you. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more career-changing tips every week. Leave a comment with your biggest challenge. Thank you for watching. Your journey to a better career starts today. Keep pushing forward, and we'll see you in the next video.